Hello guys and welcome to Top 4 Earn. Today in this website is going to show you how to make 300 a day. This website is going to show you how to make 700 a day. This website is going to show you how to make $3,000 a day. But I have a question for you. Do you want to make money like this, just copy and pasting using a simple Google trick? Maybe you can use that money to buy yourself a new laptop or 100 cheeseburgers at McDonald's and give them to the homeless. But in this video I'll show you a quick 100 to 3,000 per day copy and paste method you can do anywhere in the world. How to get access to the free software that will make this take a lot less time in the one website format that often gets unusually good results when tested. You can do this anywhere in the world for free without any previous experience, and my goal in this video is to show you a fast and easy way to make money online. But if I do this, will they promise me to stay to the end of this video to get a bonus? Because if you do, you can see yourself making even more money faster, and you'll be able to spend time with your family, your kids, and stay at home making money online. Warning: these results are not typical. You may make $100 a day, $3,000 a day, or nothing at all. This strategy is real. Use it at your own risk. What's up people, it's Top 4 Earn. I used to be a pizza delivery boy living in my parents' basement. How I travel the world full time and making money online, and if I can do it, you can do it too. And I help people just like you make money online. Here is how you're gonna make money. So you wanna go to this website right here at moneypantry.com. Get paid to write, and maybe you've seen this before. I'm going to show you a slight edge that you can use to make this a unique and stand out. But here you can see 101 sites that pay you between $50 and $3,000 per post. Alright, and I want to show you some of them right here. You can see that these pay you to write about vacation and travel. That's pretty cool. These sites pay you to write about general interest. You can see $250 per post, $200 per post, $375 per post. That's a paid to write about short stories. So if that's something for you, sites that pay you to write about politics, news, and entertainment. And there's more that I want to write about: jokes, about education, about religion. But here is the big money maker, guys, and that is to write fiction. So this website will actually pay you to write science fiction up to $3,000 per article, but the payment is capped at 25,000 words. So you might be wondering, oh my god, 25,000 words, that is so much. I can do this. Well, don't worry about that right now. I'll show you a very easy way that you can write this. But I hear you, you don't want to write science fiction. What is the easiest way to write? Well, that is actually write about general interests. So if you have any general interest or just general interest in general, you can write an article here. And if we go into Vibrant Life, the is going to be 100 to 300 per post. You can see what type of articles do we want. We want health, exercise, nutrition, self-help, family, spiritual balance, challenge and triumphs, environmental stewardship, informational interviews, and profiles. If this is something that you're interested in or you have just a little interest in, you can make money with this. And I want to show you exactly how to write these articles fast. But before I do, I actually want to show you not only that you have this site, but you have a bonus site as well, and that is textbroker.com. So you can go to textbroker.com and you can click on write content. As you scroll down this website, you can see that you earn more the higher ranked you are, but the average pay of a 4-star author, which is the average, and you can see the quality right here is 14 for 1,000 words, and you can see that it grows the more you write for them. So the more you write, the faster you are gonna make money, and the more money you're gonna make. It's pretty simple, just like that. But you might be asking, hey, are people actually making money with this website? And I was actually wondering this myself, so I actually found some payment proof right here. They've been around since 2014. This guy made 11 from Textbroker right here. This guy made $24 from 2009. That's crazy, but it proves that it works. And also, if we go to glassdoor.com, which reviews the websites like this, you can see they have a 4.44 to 4.4 star rating, and that means that this website is pretty good. But you might be wondering, general topics, how can I write about that? You can see on the website that Vibrant Lives promote the vegan lifestyle. So a website I want you to go to get more information to write an article is quora.com. And here you can literally search up any question you have. If you just click on the search box right here, what it's a general topic, maybe vegan mistakes, maybe an article like top 5 common vegan mistakes or something like that, and you can make $100 for that. And here's how you do your research. Is it common for starting vegans to make mistakes when it comes to diet? What are some common mistakes people make when transitioning onto a vegetarian and vegan diet? Here you have 7 answers right here from completely different people. So here you have all the information you need to write a perfect blog about mistakes, and you can take a little bit here, you can take a little bit there, write it in your own words, and then publish that to a different forum and make money from that, but do you want to write faster and you want to get this done a lot quicker with this simple Google trick? I'm going to show you that right now, but before that, comment down below I want to make money and I will feature you on the next video here on the channel. Also like the video because that tells me that you are liking the video, you're getting value out of this video and you like this strategy. Also subscribe to this channel because if you don't, we'll never fly to Thailand and bathe with elephants, rub against the leg, maybe they hold around you with their elephant's mouth and stuff like that. We'll never get to do that if you don't subscribe, so just subscribe. It's so simple. Now here's the Google trick. Go to google.com and write Google Docs in here, and here you can open a Google Docs account. If you don't have Google Docs, you should get an account, but just click and go to Google. Did you hear that? What did you say, Google? And then what you do is just click on blank right here, and that will take you to completely blank document. And if you would be a normal person with normal skills, you would start writing fast like this, super fast, and make money like that. But the even faster way is to simply click on tools and voice typing. Here you can actually click on this icon right here, and when you talk into a microphone you can actually do this with your phone, and when you talk it will turn that speech into text, and this can be a lot faster for you. I know, like I cannot write whatsoever, so I love reading it into the microphone. It makes it so much easier. So you can open the vegan core document on the left and have the Google Docs on the right, and you can say take too long. Did you really think that you could start the vegan diet without making any mistakes? Are you an idiot? Here are the top 5 mistakes beginner newbie vegans make. Mistake number 1. New line. Did you switch to the vegan diet to become more healthy because you think there is not as much sugar in vegan food? Are you an idiot? So as you guys can see, it works pretty well, right? And you don't have to use this just on textbroker.com. There's actually way more website that you can get paid to write, so you just can search on Google get paid to write, and that is because you WAF woman 50 to 150 to 150 100 to 750 would linkable. All these websites even list hivers where you can write top 10 articles and send them directly in here by just clicking more and then write for us. So now the video is finished. Thank you for staying to the end, but I want to actually give you a bonus, and that is 3 tips to make this a lot faster and easier for you if you're going to go into this strategy. And the first one is to write the easy articles. You'll have to go into this and do a little bit of research, but figure out which website actually gets the most amount of money and just double down on writing what gets you the most amount of money for the least amount of effort. The second tip is to block out 3 hours of time every single day and just focus on writing. What helped me the most in my entire life when it comes to making money online is have my phone on airplane mode and only have one tab open on my laptop. The third tip is to actually take these articles as well and turn them into a YouTube channel. You can simply do this with the software that I'm going to show you in this video right here, and this is a video where you can literally turn this script into a video, post that on YouTube, and then you can actually monetize that with AdSense and make a lot more money. And you can sell this to an article directory and you can use it as a YouTube video where you get paid for that as well. So click that right now. Click it. Peace.